Thank you, counsel. Okay, so it looks like we don't have retained counsel for the purposes of arraignment, Mr. Chapman. You're going to go forward with counsel present in the court. State your full name, sir.
Chapman.
Thank you. And sir, this is in regard to case 22059-412, People State of Michigan versus Malik Ramel Chapman, also known as Malik Chapman. Appearance. Is she representing him today? Okay. I don't see an appearance, sister counsel, no. What's that?
Yeah. But I did mention that information, Your Honor. I'll look to make my argument until after the court.
Okay. So where were we?
I wait formal reading.
Okay, so Mr. Chapman, I'm not sure if I gave you the court dates, but I will again, the court waive formal reading and are not guilty plea. There's 2 court dates scheduled, Mr. Chapman. You have a probable cause conference via Zoom Thursday, September the 8th, 8:30 in front of Judge Jefferson. You have a right to a preliminary examination following Tuesday, September 13th, 8:30, Judge Jefferson, both 36th District Court. September the 8th, September 13th, 8:30 in front of Judge Jefferson. Is that understood, sir? Thank you. Not guilty, please. Anything else?
Yes, Your Honor. So I do understand the charges that are from the court, but it is to my knowledge that he has absolutely no priors, that he's not on probation or parole, nothing pending, and that he has no cases. Also, he did turn himself in on Monday, and he did go with an attorney. And that is why he thought he had retained counsel. And I mentioned that during my Ron argument, Your Honor, to demonstrate to the court that he is trying to take care of this matter, that he's not at flight risk, that he went down to the Detroit Detention Center, that he was trying to hire an attorney, or his understanding that he didn't hire an attorney. I'm not sure what's going on between him and his attorney, but Your Honor, I don't believe he's at flight risk. I'm not aware of his history whatsoever. He's a high school grad. He lives with his parents and he provides for his parents. He takes care of them. They have many health conditions. And he does have a job at an Ollie's bargain store. And he doesn't make that much a month. And what he does make, he provides for his family that his parents that he lives with and takes care of because of their health issues. He understands the no contact order. So I am respectfully asking the court, Your Honor, to consider a personal bond.
This is possibly his counsel. Apparently same name as the counsel that's in the investigator's report. So let's give her a moment. Okay. Counsel, good afternoon. Ms. Tucker Davis.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Are you representing Malik Chapman?
I probably will be in the next hearing.
Well, Mr. Counsel, what does that even mean? Probably. We're in the middle of the arraignment right now.
No, I'm not at this. I am not at this time.
Okay, so what are you zooming in for?
I just wanted to hear what the bond was.
Okay.
I will leave.
No, you don't have to leave. I just was wondering why you're here. So you can stick around. You can observe if you'd like. We have House counsel representing him. I don't have an appearance in the file. You said you're not representing him. I have no problem if you watch the rest of the hearing, Ms. Tucker Davis. As of now, you're welcome. We're in the middle of a bond argument. Anything further, counsel? Okay. So, Mr. Chapman, where the court was getting at is the concerns regarding the safety of the public. You have no case history or prior criminal convictions the court's aware of. You do have apparent ties to the community. It's indicated, sir, that you did surrender yourself to authorities, but it's indicated in the investigator's report that your attorney apparently at the time advised an officer that you turned yourself in after seeing yourself on television and wanted to turn yourself in. And that is taken into consideration. You surrendered yourself to authorities, sir, but it was apparently a number of days after this incident took place. And after, according to the information alleged in the investigator's report by your counsel at the time, you surrendered yourself after seeing yourself on that television. And that is taken into consideration regarding your intention to appear as well, given that you walked yourself in as stated by counsel and according to the investigator's report. There is a very high concern regarding the safety of the public, given the allegations set forth, and specifically the safety of the alleged victim, Ms. Jones. The allegation, sir, not only was apparently in a business that's alleged that based on you becoming upset on a food order, you allegedly proceeded to produce a black semi-automatic handgun, racking the slide, pointing it at the direction of the complainant and firing a round into the glass in the direction of the complainant. The allegations state because your food order was not right. And that also, apparently there was a video of this shooting that was released. So there's a likelihood of conviction. The court has concern regarding the safety of the public giving such allegations. So the court is going to set, you said he can afford what bond, counsel?
So, Your Honor, he makes about $1,500 a month, and his expenses are just about the same or more. He does provide for his parents that are unable to work because of their health conditions, that he takes care of them, Your Honor.
So he can't afford a bond, is what you're getting at?
At this time, no.
Okay, thank you, Sister Counsel. Mr. Chapman, given that representation, the court's going to set an intentional, unaffordable cash bond, given the court's position that that's the only way that the court can protect the safety of the public, given your representation by counsel that you cannot afford a bond. The court does not feel a personal bond would adequately protect the safety of the public, given these allegations. Mr. Chapman, during this bond, sir, you are not to purchase or possess a firearm or any other dangerous weapon. If you're able to make bond, you're to be fit with a GPS tether, which will include house arrest. Absolutely do not go to the area or premises of in the city of Detroit, and no contact with and sir, that's no contact of any kind. No contact orally and writing through a third person at their place of residency, employment, or through any forms of social media. No contact.
Okay.
Is that all understood so far, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. And given those concerns placed on the record regarding the safety of the public, the unintentional cash bond will be set in the amount of $250,000 cash surety. Anything further, counsel?
Your Honor, I understand the court.
You make it mute.
What was that, sir? What was that?
Make it $1 million bond.
Why would I make it $1 million bond, Mr. Chapman?
Mr. Chapman, please, I'm gonna advise you to not say anything at all. Anything you say right.
Okay, and let the court noted that Mr. Chapman made vulgar obscenities to the court. He flipped the court off and then left the camera. Did you like to make an argument about lowering bond, counsel?
I do.
Okay. Okay, one moment. One moment. Okay, we'll leave it there. Ms. Tucker Davis, do you have any questions? You can unmute yourself, please.
I just want to make sure that the court is aware that he is on medication. And I don't know if he's been prescribed that by in a detention center, Your Honor.
Okay, so, if you're going to make representations, please put your name and the P number on the record, please.
This is Attorney Dawn Tucker Davis, P59229.
Okay, and okay, you indicated you weren't representing him today, but I will take that into consideration and ask the DDC to mark his file medical. DDC, could you mark his file medical reasons stated by Ms. Tucker Davis, please? We'll mark his file medical, ma'am. Is there anything further with the court?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay.